Good morning, everyone. I'm headed to get some breakfast downstairs, and then we're probably gonna go get the rental car and head over to the Oregon coast. Yesterday was really fun. We went to bed really early though. We ate lunch and then came back maybe around like 5 and just chilled in the hotel, ordered voodoo donuts, and then went to bed really. So today we have a long drive. So I'm gonna take you guys along. Really excited to see the Oregon coast. Okay, this is what I'm wearing on our road trip to the coast. I have this matching oversized sweat set from Boohoo, which is really cute, and I rolled it up, those shorts. And then I kind of just bra tuck the top into my bra. It's super cute. Okay, so we just left Portland. Now we're headed to the coast. We have a 2-hour drive ahead of us. And it's really pretty, the mountains and the trees and everything like that. Got to our bed and breakfast. It is honestly the cutest place ever. I'm going to show you guys right now. here on the Oregon coast. It is so beautiful. This morning we had breakfast in bed and it was super cloudy outside, and then the sun came out and the water, like everything is just so clear. The water is so blue and it's just so beautiful. We don't have much planned for today. We're probably just gonna drive around, head to Cannon Beach and just take some pictures and just kind of eat a lot of food. The food has been so good over here so far, so we're really happy about that. But yeah, we don't have really anything planned. We're just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys along and show you everything. The Oregon coast is so stunning. I cannot believe I'm here right now. I have to show you guys like the view behind me. But yeah, we're gonna have a good day today, and then we might head to Seattle tomorrow. I'm not sure. It's a 4-hour drive from where we're staying. So we might just do like a day trip to Seattle, or we might extend our trip and go to Seattle. Don't know yet. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. The ocean is so pretty. Here's our rental car. It's a Ford EcoSport, so actually they gave us the wrong car. We put a reservation for a mid-size SUV, and I guess the guy, he was just so busy he didn't realize, and we didn't realize until we were an hour drive out of Portland, and so they're just gonna refund us back some money. But it's actually kind of good. Save on some gas, and it's really compact, and it's really cute. Here's the trunk. Do you want to put anything in there? Yeah, it's fine. It's really good for the beach. Okay. We're headed out.
You put in reverse truck.
Yeah, but doesn't it tell me?
No.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Rex, look behind us. I mean, outside of this porta potty. Wow. These houses are so pretty too. We just got finished with lunch, actually dinner now. It's 6:40 here, and we stopped at one of those viewing areas, and we're flying the drone to get some aerial shots. Honestly, I was gonna film my food and everything that we did, but I was so hungry, like I just could not think or anything like that. You know when you get so hungry and you just like cannot think? It's literally how I was. Anyways, we are headed back to the room, and we're probably just gonna like shower or just chill out for the rest of the night. I'm kind of hoping to get one more picture tonight, one more picture today before the day ends. I feel like this vacation is going by so fast too. Anyways, yeah, that's basically how our day went. Okay, see Cannon Beach from here. Stunning. Wow, look at the water. last night sleeping here. And then our flight leaves tomorrow. We're just gonna spend today taking pictures and probably just driving around the coast. Okay, here's the setup. So I have everything in the back of here that I need to shoot in the next 2 days. Today and tomorrow, I need to shoot everything that's in this suitcase. So hopefully I can get that done. We're about to head out. Rex is still in the room. He's just gathering some stuff. And I've got stuff back here. And we're ready to head out soon.